Hi everyone. Today we will deep dive with the Zoom APIs. Okay, so I have already done zoomaauth flow. Okay, in a previous sessions, and from onward to this session, we will learn more about the Zoom REST APIs, how we can integrate those using our OAuth app, and what changes needed from our OAuth app side, and also what scopes are available with the user level app and what scopes are available with the admin level app. Okay, that means which REST APIs have a requirement that those APIs must be APIs required must be you must be are you either your access token must have a admin scope, or either you are going with the user scopes only. Okay, so I'm just keep demonstrate load during the sessions. Okay, so for this session we have already authorized workflow Node.js REST API. Okay, so what we can do, we just move this code from index to a separate file called Zoom helper, so that we can manage and learn things easily. Okay, so I'm just creating a helper root. Paste, and we just do this. Okay, and another will be authorize, and it will return the redirect URL. Okay, and we must be export module nor export. Okay, we export these modules, authorize and redirect. Control A, Control F. We must format that as async. Okay, and we just return result. Okay, and also we must be move this HTTP request helper Node.js package. Okay, and we just cut and paste this URL from here. Must be moved that to helper. Okay, paste it here. Okay, and then we just import these helpers must and require dot zoom helper, and we import the authorize redirect. Okay, and we just place authorize here, and we just set the redirect with the request query dot put, and we just remove this blank space, save it. Okay, so basically we have for now two endpoints. One is OAuth and another is a redirect. And then we just navigate to the Zoom docs, Zoom API docs. So we just type Zoom API. Okay, and click on API reference. So you can see Zoom API docs are very managed. So here are the list of APIs. So one is a meeting API, Zoom phone, contact center, video SDK, and team chat room, Zoom rooms, and GraphQL APIs. So for now, for this session, we must be go over the Zoom meeting APIs. So click on learn more. Also, we must be need to change the scopes, okay, as those are required by the APIs. So I must be mentioned here are a few APIs which require admin scopes, like in the dashboard, if we are going to getting the list of meetings, it is requiring dashboard read admin scope. But currently our app is a user level managed app, so it does not have any admin scope. Okay, so I'm just showing that here. click on manage. Okay, so this is our previously auth demo app. Okay, you can see. So from the scopes we can see here we do not have any admin scope. Okay, so for this session we just only read the meetings. Okay, we only read the meetings. So I'm going to add this and done. And we must be see that the credentials are okay. So client ID is okay, but I think I have changed the client secret due to the security reasons. I think we must be configure this client secret, client ID. Basically, I have already pushed this code to the Git, and if anyone needed that, just ping me on my email or on my contact WhatsApp number. Okay, so here is my WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is 9231049820004. Okay, and email address will be freelancer.mail@gmail.com. Okay, so you can just email me or WhatsApp me if you are needed that source code also. So I will share. Okay, so just copy this client ID and paste it. I already pasted there. I think I have placed that on a wrong environment variable, so we must be save the HTTP localhost with the port 4000 and API authorize. Authorize API zoom/redirect. Okay, so that's our endpoint here. Oh, I think we must reset this to API zoom. Okay, API zoom and API zoom and authorize. Okay, so we must reset this to here, which is already there, I think. Okay, and we must be change the redirect URL here. Okay, and also here. Okay, so what I'm just moving on with, we must be create some post endpoint like we are going with API Zoom meeting. Okay, so for the post we create the meeting. Okay, async best response. Okay, so this for the create, and we must be have another endpoint which will be get. Okay, and here what we are going to implement with this endpoint, we just get the list of meetings. So I must be first create a helper meetings. Okay, and we just set a result or either the meetings list, meeting list. Okay, and wait access, and you just set the URL. It will be https api.zoom.com/v2. I think we can get that from here. Okay, so I must be collapse this. I think I just click on meetings. We will get list meetings. Okay, and here it is the users user ID meetings. Okay, so just we must be also get the base endpoint. Okay, so for now I'm just setting here not user ID, it is me, right? Because we are just setting the header authorization with the session storage get item. I think I just we set here zoom token. Okay, and okay, and that's enough. Okay, I think that's done. Once we set the async, and we just dot then result not response. Okay, not response page here. Okay, so what we are going to send back meeting list dot data. Okay. Okay, so for the authorization and redirect, we must be stored that inside the session. Session storage or set item. Okay, set item zoom token and value will be. I think we get result dot access token. Okay, I think we just said this, but we cannot do that. That will need us to convert that to JSON and then convert back to the JS object. So I'm just for the session, I'm just storing that to a session storage and then getting back the access token for the meeting list. Okay, but for production implementation or for your implementation, you must be authorize the user and store these credentials inside your DB. Okay, so in the result, when you are going to authorize the Zoom users, here you will have access token and refresh token. Okay, so access token is have a for limited time, so it will be expire. I think it is about 1 hour within 2 hours, and then you can use the refresh token to get that access token will be refreshed, and the refresh token is will be expired within a 14 to 15 years, so there is a lot of time will not going to expire. Okay, but keep in mind that access token or rather than a refresh token is a one time usable. Okay, so if you have used the refresh token one time, then you must be swap that column or value in the DB with the recently fetched back refresh token. Okay, so that you must be keep in mind that thing. Okay, so I think we have a zoom token. We have sorted that, and what we just let meetings, and I think we must be export this meetings. Okay, and import meetings and meetings. I think we must be place a filter parameter if we are going to if you have any need regarding the filtration of the meetings. Okay, so we just wait and let's return this. I think response dot is meetings meeting list, because we have already meetings. Okay, so I think we have done API v2. Let me recheck that base endpoint. Okay, Okay, so it is zoom.us, sorry. That's why I mentioned that we must have, so this is a base endpoint, a base URL. So we must be remove .us and all okay. Okay. So for now, in this session, we are just going to get the list of meetings using our authorized users. So we have seen already, we have authorized user with the meetings read scope, okay? So npm install, first we must be install the packages. There are only two packages, nothing more than that you can see here. So there are only two packages, express and express. And just npm start. Okay, so what is the error? So meeting is already defined. I think in which file? It is an index. So here we have already defined the meetings. Oh, okay. We just go to the navigate and HTTP for the localhost port 4000, the API, Zoom, authorize, and we must be place a breakpoint that we can see that all the things are going. Okay. Oh, invalid client ID. So let's check the redirect URL, authorized URL. So here is a client ID and here's the redirect URL. Okay. Okay. We must be copy once again this and paste it here. We have a okay client ID. Maybe there is a typo mistake with the name. No, that's also okay. Client ID and address URL. Going down. Let's check this redirect URL. So we must be recall the URI and verify here. Oh, it is telling that undefined. Oh, we must be have import this .env files. So Control C and clear in my.env. We must be first install this package and then we just say here require .env .config. Okay, npm install. Now navigate back. Host port 4000 API authorize zoom/place. Okay, boom, we are okay. Click on hello and hello. We have a code. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think we must be a bit here. It is a promise. Let's start. Okay. Now just send this once again. We see test is failed. See the reason. So invalid. Redirect URI mismatch. Okay. Client secret. Oh, so here is my mistake. Due to copy pasting and changing the endpoints, have got some errors. Hopefully, I figured out during the session. We must be reauthorize. This authorized code is already used. So it is a one time. Okay. Okay, we have got the data access token. We are just data access token. I think we must get the data. Okay, and we just type data. So we must be remove all breakpoints and just place a breakpoint here. Control C. Start. Once again, localhost 4000/API zoom authorize. Okay, and I think we have access token now. Okay, so save that. Oh, session storage is not defined. Okay, I think if if we save this as an okay, I think we can save for now as the process environment for this thing. Process environment and access token. This is for demo purpose, okay? So do not worry regarding anything. I know there's not a practical way to code, but for our session, I'm just doing that. Okay, and we just process. I think in the process we do not have that. Okay, let's check. We can start and let's once again 4000 API price. We have access token. Okay, so let's point here, continue, and I think we just navigate to this endpoint. Okay. 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 Where focused? Oh, we are not getting the token. Oh, authorization. My mistake. Sometime I am a little fool. But the thing is that is coding, okay? Oh, I think we do not have right now also. It must be twice. Continue. Now meetings. for the meeting. Okay, we have now token authorization bearer. Okay, place the breakpoint here, place the breakpoint here, and continue. Okay, we have got the list of meetings, data, and page, total records. So currently I do not have any meeting. Okay, so that's why this array is empty. So let's continue with that. So we have a no any meeting. We must be first create a meeting here. zoom.us/meeting, and then we are just going to create a meeting. This is a demo meeting. Okay, and we must be set this retrieve during meeting. Okay, yeah. Okay, and now re-request the endpoint, and let's see that this meeting is getting as a record. Okay, we have a one meeting here, and that meeting is a demo meeting. Duration 60 minutes, type 8. Okay, so we have successfully got the meeting record using the Zoom REST API. So in this session, I think we have got a lot of bugs and we fixed during the session. So this session is going long, and I'm going to end the session, and in the next session we will learn more REST APIs. Okay, hope you will go. And if you have any query regarding the anything regarding the Zoom API or SDKs, then just keep me posting as a comment or either on an email or either on a WhatsApp. Hopefully you have got that. Bye bye. Thank you.